2017 Toyota Rav4 brake fluid replacement change. I have this vacuum pump bleeding kit, so this is what I'm gonna use. I'm going to remove the cover. There is like a strainer. When you touch the brake fluid, try not to touch any paint, any metal parts, especially the paint, because it's going to damage it. I'm trying to get this out, but I cannot do it. Okay, here it comes. Here it is. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to remove. Okay. Again, be careful not to drop any, especially on any painted parts. Okay, and that's about, let's see if we can catch this, about 3¼ ounces, pretty close to 3½. Okay, before I add any fluid, I'm gonna put back the strainer. There it is, that should be in place. And now I'm going to proceed to add the fluid, the brake fluid. Okay, so here we go. Okay, that's a little over the full line. Eight millimeter wrench to loosen the nipple. And then we are going to vacuum about 4 ounces from each line, so that we have just to make sure that we remove all the old fluid. Okay, I need to loosen it first. Okay, it's loose now. Just making sure that the bottle is like this. Now we're going to start vacuuming. Oh man. Nope. Not enough. I need to loosen that thing a little more. It's dripping, but so we need to remove about close to 4 ounces. And at the same time we have to make sure that the reservoir keeps clean fluid in there. Okay, so I have about close to 3 ounces. Okay, I'm gonna stop right here. I'm gonna check the reservoir. Pulse P. It seems to be below the low line. So I'm going to refill again. Keep in mind that you have to use a brand new bottle of brake fluid. Man, slow, 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 slow. Let's not make a mess. Okay. So it's over the full line. Okay, now I want to remove the cap. Come on, really? And then I need to loosen the nipple a little bit. Okay, it's kind of loose. Should be able to loosen it by hand. I don't know how much it's going. Oh, there is gonna be some fluid coming from there. So let me put this thing right away. Oh, okay. And let's start pumping. Okay, probably about there. I think that should do it. So I'm going to remove that, and let me get the wrench so I can tighten it the right way. Okay, here we go. Okay. So again, that's about close to 4 ounces. Okay. Okay, and so we are gonna repeat until we do 4 lines. Now I'm going to proceed to do the rear, and should be the same way. Okay, too much maybe. No, it's okay. All right, let me finish this. Okay, so there it is. You'll make sure that you have the right level on the brake fluid. Close it up, and that should be it. It looks pretty different, right? There it is.